Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. The functions and graphs, such a wonderful section amongst the easiest in mathematics, grade 10, 11, 12. Okay, firstly, we will start by showing, or rather defining, what a function is. So we shall look at what a function is. Now, a function is simply a graph that passes the vertical line test. So now it is simply just that. I know it's a lot of complicated definitions which you come across in the textbooks and all other sources, but a simple definition of what a function is simply a graph that passes the vertical line test. So it means now for your graph to be a function, it has to pass the vertical line test. Let us just say you've got a normal parabolic function of this nature, where you've got y over here and your x over here. So this is simply a function because it passes the vertical line test. So say if I cut, having placed a vertical line over here, or I form another one over here vertically, so the line cuts the graph at one point over here and even over here. That's hence it's a function. Then let us move to the second scenario. Now the next scenario, we have a straight line graph, a linear graph, a linear function. Over here, this is also a function since it passes the vertical line test, and then the vertical line cuts it only at once. Then now let us move to a third scenario. Then third scenario, we come across also this one over here. We can put a y and put an x. Then this one over here, it is also a function. Let us just look at what are we having over here. For it to be a function, it's an illustration of an exponential graph. It has to be a function because it passes the vertical line test only at one point. How about at this point? Only at one given point, as the vertical line cuts this respective graph over here. Even if we can have another one over here, say you have a cubic graph. Now this is a function since the vertical line test